Samplitude Pro X includes several enhancements to the object editor. One of these is the ability to save and recall up to 4 different FX chains as snapshots. These snapshots can then be applied individually to the selected object or objects. I'm going to use the object editor on a single piece of audio and create 4 snapshots as an example. Selecting the object makes the object editor active for that object. I'm enabling the Corvex chorus flanger in slot 1. I'm also sending from auxiliary 1 to auxiliary FX channel 1. I'm now going to save those object effects settings as a snapshot in slot 1. Left click to save. I'm disabling those effects. Now I'm going to enable the EFX phaser. I'm also turning up auxiliary send 2, which is sending to the variverb on auxiliary channel 2. I'm now saving those settings as a snapshot in slot 2. I'm turning off those effects now. I'm enabling the EFX tremolo pan, sending to the reverb bus on auxiliary 3. I have the variverb inserted on 4 buses. I'm saving this effect setting as a snapshot in the 3rd slot. Finally, I'm enabling the ecox delay, sending to the variverb from auxiliary 4. I'm saving that as the final snapshot in slot 4. You can also right-click to open a context menu and choose Load, Save or Delete Snapshot. I'm choosing Save Snapshot. So now I can recall individual snapshots and hear them applied to that object in real time. Non-destructive, of course. Snapshot 1, Snapshot 2, Snapshot 3, Snapshot 4. I'm now going to split this single object into 4 separate objects. I'm doing this in real time and pressing T, which is the split object shortcut. I'm selecting the first object and left-clicking on the snapshot button to recall the first snapshot. Selecting the second object and recalling snapshot 2. I'm doing the same for objects 3 and 4. So now each individual object has its own FX setting. When I select an object, the effects for that object are shown in the object editor. Next, I'm going to enable Apply to All. Control select objects 1 and 2. Choose a snapshot. So that snapshot has been applied to those 2 selected objects automatically. I'm now control selecting objects 2 and 4 and clicking on snapshot number 1. So snapshot 1 has been applied to objects 2 and 4 automatically. So now you know how to use snapshots to add clip-based effects to single or multiple audio objects. A real-time, non-destructive process and one of the great new features of the object editor in Samplitude Pro X.